victory from Hextra. If you like the channel, if you like the content, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I would answer as soon as possible. Yeah, cryptocurrency is compared to real world usage, and people are very narrow-minded of how they see these lending platforms and stuff like that. Well, I mean, comparing to if you use it in the real world currency, you go to Las Vegas, you gamble some, you spend some, and you invest some, and it's like a lot of ways of investing. Not only, I mean, a lot of people, like people that mine, only can see making profits from mining. But like for instance, you are with the bank and you invest, say, $1,000 onto your account, and you entrust the bank with this money to keep it safe for you. And then you can also invest in stuff like shares, where that is a slight risk involved. You buy a certain amount of shares, and then at a certain amount of time you get dividends off those shares. It's in my translation, to me, a lending platform is quite similar in the fact that you lend the owners of the platform your cryptocurrency, and then they invest it into their own currency, and give you dividends depending on how the market strives. Well, Hextracoin has been doing fairly well so far. The growth is very good. This token actually came, I think, from 90 cents to $35 in less than a month. I will go to the exchange here. Yeah, so today it was sideways. The market has been going sideways for a while now, and it looks like if it's getting ready to make a breakout today. It's between 0.0043 and 0.0044. With this type of market, if you were trading manually, you wouldn't have made any profits at all. This is actually sideways movements. Don't mind the little twitches in here, is actually not going anywhere. So that means the coin was around $35 for the whole week. Well, today is looking like if it wants to make a breakout from this trend. You'll see. But despite whatever is happening, it seems like if it's on a upward trend anyway, and you can see from the buying orders today that there's it seemed to be, I don't know, it seemed to be a lot more buying orders than selling orders. By the end of the day, you will see the results. This number here has been stagnant for a while. You know, some days you see 70 something, some days you see 50 something. It's because I'm moving some of this money around in different ICOs. For instance, I purchased 3 silver packages and a gold package with Usitech. As I told you already, I started off with 3 silver packages, and then I discussed it with my wife and I bought the gold package. I'm still considering if to buy another gold package if it's available by the end of November the 1st. That's when I would get back some commissions off of what I'm doing. Then I would buy another gold package. In terms of my Bitcoin Cash, is actually going up in the air. As I tell you, I'm planning to hoard Bitcoin Cash. Truly, the reason that eventually I will buy one of these ASAP miners from Bitmain, and they only accept Bitcoin Cash. So what do I really have to lose? You know what I mean? I just keep on storing up my Bitcoin Cash to buy a ASAP miner, and see what goes from there. Yeah, BitConnect is still fairly stable. It's still going well. The volatility isn't very high, as you can see with Bitcoin. It actually, if you go to the volatility software, you'll see that Bitcoin on the 20th, Bitcoin closed at $8,242, and then the next day it closed at $8,097, and the day after that it closed similarly to the 20th, which was $8,233, and just before that it was $8,037. So these 2 days are similar, and these 2 days are similar, which means that it actually wasn't any big movement. It was circulating between 8,200 and 8,000. So it wasn't any big movement in Bitcoin, although this volatility here was still profitable to say. And you can see it also reflects the interest payouts, which was fairly consistent with the volatility that you see here. Also things to note is when the Bitcoin is going down, you actually get interest based off of that. So it's not only based on if Bitcoin shoots to the moon, but also the volatility it happens. There's been a lot of changes, people comparing Bitcoin to the BitConnect coin, and as you can see, the movement with BitConnect coin compared to the movement with Bitcoin is actually a lot different now. It's mainly because of a lot of variations now. Not only that BitConnect has its coin on several different exchanges, which will affect movement altogether. A lot of people say that Bitcoin is tied to BitConnect, which might be true to one extent, but if it's trading on another platform, they can't control how it's going in and out on that platform. They only can control price regulation on their own personal platform, which a lot of people, you know what I mean, because it is a lot of variables. There's a lot of variables. You see, because if I sell Bitcoin now and Bitcoin going up in the air and I had a lot of BitConnect coin and I sold it, obviously the market will go down. And if there's more sells than buys, obviously the market will go down. So despite what people say that BitConnect coin is tied to Bitcoin, BitConnect coin is a separate coin from BitConnect coin. So may have similar traits, but can be very affected by emotions in the market. I'm into this new trading platform, not for the trading, but I'm just going to purchase a coin. To me, this platform seems fairly shaky. It's been glitching and offline and stuff like that. Well, you usually get these things from the beginning. I am more, as I tell you, I'm only interested in the ICO form, and I don't think I would invest any more than this. This is about $400 in Bitcoin here, and I plan to. My plan is to buy 500 of these Numivcoins if I could, because usually I don't have any luck in these ICO stages, but this is a fresh ICO and it's just about to start, so I'll give it a try. So a quick recap. I told you in Hextra. I have loans in Hextra. I have loans in BitConnect, Numivcoin, and usi-tech. Those are the main 4 platforms that I've invested in. Well, usi-tech and Numivcoin, I'm only in it for the tokens, and Hextra and BitConnect, I'm going to be in it long term. If something comes out in Numivcoin, then it would pump some more coins into the lending platform and hoard more coins. And what I will do is I would take profits weekly out of Hextra and take profits weekly out of BitConnect. Right, I also was interested in a couple more ICO stages. Yes, I had a couple of these tokens, the Open Trading Network. These was given from IQ Options as a bonus for trading crypto on their platform. And I sold these tokens around $35. And it seemed to be a good call, what I did. I also thought these tokens would have gone to $107, but it is what it is. And I am glad that I still sold them because it came as a, you see, it came as a free token, and not only I gained off of the platform from trading crypto, but I also got these tokens as a bonus, which I traded. I got $4,000 originally, and then I got another $9,000, another $900 off of the token. So it was still substantial profits, and yeah, I am not to complain. Well, I'm keeping my fingers crossed on this one, guys. You only have a chance if you try. So yeah, I bought 5,300 tokens with a bonus of 5,000 tokens. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Here in the next one. Out.